Hi everyone, join me in making this delicious Oreo cheesecake cookies. They are very easy to make and your entire family will love them. Basically, all you're going to need is to take 12 Oreos and crush them. I just inserted them into a Ziploc and then just crushed them with my rolling pin. Or you can stick them in the blender if you like, but this worked for me if you just slam them with something. And then besides that, you're going to need to begin by adding in your 8-ounce warm temperature cream cheese in your stand mixer, or you can do it with a handheld. And then you want to go ahead and incorporate 1 teaspoon of your vanilla extract and then set it to mix and combine. You also want to ensure that you scrape down the sides in between this process, but after these two, you're also going to want to add in 1 stick of salted butter and then go ahead and incorporate those ingredients. Go ahead and scrape along the stand mixer tool and then along the bowl there, and then go ahead and add your 2/3 cup of granulated sugar in addition to a 1/4 cup of brown sugar to give it less of a white look. Go ahead and mix those ingredients. Once everything is combined, you want to add in like half of your flour in there and set it at the very lowest speed so it doesn't go everywhere. And for this, you're just going to need 1 2/3 cup of all-purpose flour. Go ahead and mix until all combined. Feel free to add your second half of flour at this point and continue to mix at lowest speed and then increase from there. Your cookie dough should look something like this by now. Now go ahead and incorporate your 12 crushed Oreos and then go ahead and mix. You're more than welcome to use a store brand. It doesn't have to be the name brand Oreos as well. And go ahead and mix just a little, and then that's it. You're all done, and it's ready to go ahead and scoop up and set on your cookie pan. But before you create those round dough balls, you will want to set the cookie dough in the freezer for about 15 minutes while you set your oven to preheat to 350 degrees. And the baking time for this will only be 14 to 16 minutes. That's all you will need to go ahead and bake these delicious cookies. So moving on to the next step, see me making 2 scoops with the cookie dough and combining, rolling out and patting down onto the cookie pan. Then I went ahead and sprayed with the nonstick cooking spray. Okay, you want to round out the cookie dough as best as you can. And once you set it down, go ahead and repeat the process. And these are really fun to make. They take no time at all. Nothing beats homemade. But if you're interested in other cookie recipes, I have listed within my channel the snickerdoodle cookie, the peanut butter, the Reese's peanut butter cups cookie, chocolate chips, and also the s'mores is listed on there too, so be sure to check that out. But here you see that my cookies are set to bake. I only needed to bake these for about 15 minutes. That's all it took. But again, baking time will be 350 degrees for just 14 to 16 minutes. And I do hope that you enjoyed this video. And so please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our growing YouTube family. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.